on today's Canvas tutorial, we're going to be looking at Gradebook. I just want to show you a few tips and tricks to help you with your Gradebook and SpeedGrader. So I'm showing you my screen. You can see that I have the navigation bar up on my course, and I'm just going to go to grades. This will take me to my Gradebook. And you can see I have my student here on the left and all the assignments across the top going toward the right. Now I do have some assignments that are unpublished, and I just want to take those away. I can go to the gear here on the right, and on my view options I can take away those unpublished assignments, apply settings, and they disappear. So it allows me to only see what is published for students to do. I can also see my weights. So all of these assignments here are in the assignment category. It's 100% of my grade. And so you can see the students have not turned this assignment in. This assignment is in, and I can do a couple things. I can go ahead and grade this assignment and give it 50 out of 50. And that automatically updates on the weight and the total. But this one has no submission. And if you give it that assignment a 0 out of 50, it automatically loses points. I can definitely put grades in here. However, I don't know what the student has submitted. So if I want to know if what the student has submitted, I would go to SpeedGrader, 3 dots, and go immediately to SpeedGrader. And what SpeedGrader is going to allow me to do is see the student submission, view the rubric that I have imported when I created the assignment, and I can go ahead and say that this student had a general understanding, some deep thinking, and some examples. So I'm going to give them 28 points. Organization is great, but their grammar is not so great. So I've given the student 45 out of 60, and when I click save, the assignment points there are there. We just need to modify this if I've given them a grade before looking at the assignment from the gradebook side. I would want to make that. I can also give some comments. I want them to proofread their work in the future. There are lots of grammar issues that they could fix. I could also give a smiley face and then submit. SpeedGrader also has a voice memo option and a recording option, so you can actually submit a video telling them what to do and showing them what's going on. I'll show that video at another time. And then you can toggle through all your students. And then to get back to the gradebook, you simply click what looks like a notebook with a pen, a check mark. So what's the difference between SpeedGrader and Gradebook? SpeedGrader allows you to look at the rubric and allows you to leave feedback. Gradebook allows you to see an overall view of the student's work. It also allows you to message students who have scored less than, have not been graded, and it automatically does a subject, and you're able to message the students. SpeedGrader also allows you to Gradebook allows you to curve grades, set a default grade, and if you want to see your unpublished assignments, you can simply put those back in the system, and it will show them there.